Hey, what is up, guys? This is Chris with Crypto Profit. So now that we have a basic understanding of trading, we're going to start getting into more advanced courses, putting everything together, and that way I'm going to start posting my daily technical analysis. Now that you guys understand the basic fundamentals of trading, I'm going to show you guys how to put everything together so that way you guys can go ahead and become profitable traders. So let's start off by just kind of adding all the tools into indicators. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We're going to start off by clicking here and typing in MACD, and this will add that MACD signal. Close it, it's right there, and then we're going to click on indicator again, type in RSI, which is going to be our relative strength index, right? Then we're going to go ahead and click on indicator, type in 3 moving averages, and this is going to give you guys your 50-day, your 10, and your 200, which is what we will use to give us a good idea of what's happening in the overall trend. Let's go ahead and click right here so that it puts it away. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our EMA. So you just type in EMA right here, and then we're going to go ahead and click on this little gear right here and change this over to the blue, and then we're going to go to inputs and change the length to 10. Then we're going to go ahead and click on indicators again and type in moving average. Then we're going to go right here, click on this, change that to 20, click on style, change that to orange, and click OK. That way it matches our MACD signal. Okay, now let's go ahead and put those away. And let's go ahead and add our volume. So we're going to click here, click VOL. This will give us our volume, and then it'll be right there. Another thing to keep in mind, guys, is that you can change the color of the charts. Personally, I like the lighter theme. I don't know why, but I do. But if you don't like it, you just click right here, click on background, click to dark, and then you can go ahead and have a darker theme. But I personally like to use the lighter one, but you're free to use whatever. I'm going to show you guys how to use everything put together. You can move the charts right here. Make sure that this is on log and on auto. That way when you guys go ahead and move, it follows you. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to add support and resistance lines really quickly. You're just going to click and then just drag it on where you see your support and resistance, and then you click on this little thing right here, and you can put any single color that you want. Remember to color code. You don't have to use the exact same colors that I use, but please be organized. That way, whether you're in whatever time frame, you guys can quickly glance at it and know whether you guys should be paying attention to it, or if the overall volume is telling you that it's minor and we're just going to go ahead and break through. But please be organized. I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and add the Fibonacci. We're going to go ahead and click right here and click to Fibonacci Retracement, and you just click it at the bottom and put it to the top. Right, and to get rid of it, you can just click delete and it'll get rid of it. And it's the same thing with the lines. Any line that you go ahead and draw, you can just click delete and it gets rid of. To switch between the time zones, you can go right here and go to the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the weekly. And then I'm going to make a video tomorrow giving you guys all the major and the minor support and resistance lines, and then we'll start getting into more advanced lessons. Okay, let's go back over to the 4 hour. The last thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is right here. This is telling you all the different charts. So this is going to be the Kraken chart. This is going to be the Bitcoin USD chart, right? And then this would be shorts. Shorts is going to become important later on. So let's just go back into the Kraken chart, and then it tells you the current price of Bitcoin. Don't pay attention to that. You're going to do your own technical analysis. And this right here is going to tell you any news that may pop up about Bitcoin. And then I want to show you guys how to add an alert really quickly. So you just click right here on the add, and then you can put whatever price. So let's just put 3,700. And the way I like to do it is I put in 3,700, and let's say it's at the 50 moving average on the 1 day. So that's how I like to go ahead and create my moving averages. And I like to set these alerts so that way when I'm out and about in my day and I don't have time to look at the charts, what I'll do is I'll wake up at the beginning of the day, look at the price of Bitcoin, move my alerts, and you have to move them every day, and it'll become important later on. For the data window right here, it just basically shows everything. It's really easy so that you can add and remove the indicators as you please. So if this is getting in the way, you can't see, you just click on the little eye thing, or you go ahead and click on your 3 moving averages or just your moving averages so that you can see everything. So it helps you so that you can have a more clean look and everything isn't just kind of getting in the way and it's hard for you to see. That'll be enough for today. Look forward to seeing you guys trade and for the things to come. As always, remember to trade responsibly and to have a great day. And thank you for watching.